Is he sleeping with you?
Is he sleeping with you?
What
Debbie only.
So,
I'm not to treat you.
So why are you speaking for him? Why say you're good?
A good person. Treat me good, treat good, everything good in this house.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
this boy is liar for himself.
Okay, go back and sit down.
Yeah. Oh,
that's so talking like that. Please steady that guy. Stunna. Steady him, because when the boy fear face did now, yes, say when your papa.
I also want to treat. He said treat now can.
We know now. You are listening to me? Yeah. The boy, if you come down soon, he come and say,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Listen.
Everything is good.
Stop. Y'all can finish it right now, man.
Stop.
Frustrated. Y'all shut up for a minute.
Yes.
Give me a minute.
Yes.
Give a minute.
What's this?
I said give a minute, man. Kakra.
That is all already.
You said he good.
Yeah. Good.
What makes him good?
Everything good.
What makes you think he good? Adia, Papa. What does he think is good?
Why are they now?
Oh, no. In paper, everything. Give me food and chop by heart.
Because of food, he is good. Because of food.
Everything is good.
So you're good. Listen.
This boy is here.
I'm here for one thing. That is my stepmother.
Yeah.
Don't motherfucking play with me.
Never meeting her.
So are you telling me because of food that you're here, and so him to take off my mother, my master mother, you want to talk about food? Are you crazy?
Please listen to me. Please listen to me. Consequence. I remember you something.
Okay.
This 2023, you quite remember the girl who take Ghana money. Yeah, in the newspapers, TV3, UTV or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. The woman who take Ghana money.
Okay.
The guy advised the money. Guy in the man, Sama, and I think so. We are Ghana sika.
Hey, swagger.
So I know him person. I know him.
I said we're talking.
So you have a point.
I have a point.
You have a point.
Support.
Boy.
You were saying with some food that you ain't living in the house.
So I told you. You see what the doctor said.
Yeah.
Am I faking? Am I being fake or you do trust me? You don't trust me now.
I mean, I'm getting down there because it look like I'm getting down there. It's a proof. The doctor said some shit.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest?
The doctor said, he said we should go to a spiritual doctor. We should get a vote that we can help your mom. You get it. So we got to go. I got to seek permission from people, ask people where some are, so that we can go just to help her.
Well, fine, I got it, but still don't trust these voted people. But there's no other option right now. Let's see another alternative right now. How do you feel right now?
Good.
Feel much better? You know, I don't have much time, so what I'm gonna do is I might have you take over and see what is best for my mother.
Okay.
The thing about one thing that happened last time, the two maids that work here.
Yeah, that husband and maid, yeah?
Yeah. What's going on? I heard something like the lady at your Pantan, what I heard.
I drop Pantan, yeah, that lady, the maid, yeah.
She was saying good thing about you.
Okay.
The motherfucker right here saying that you're horrible.
I'm horrible.
You're not good.
What?
Yeah, but I don't know what the idea is all about. I just want to make sure Master Mom is good. I came down here for her.
Okay.
So, you know, the trust is getting there slowly.
Slowly, I got it.
Slowly,
yeah.
But again, don't fucking blow my mind.
No, bro.
You understand? You know what I can do right now.
Yeah, I know what you can do, right?
Don't fucking play with me.
I'm not playing with you, bro.
Alright.
Trust me. You know, never mind these two girls, yeah? These two mates. That swagger guy is a very rascal guy. He do envies me, yeah? He doesn't trust me. Upon everything that I've been doing, he says your dad loves him a lot, so I don't love him. And I say, we are not the same. You get it? So I can't just do that. Since he has been hating me for no reason. When he asks me for money, I don't give. When he asks me for food, I don't give him. But when the lady asks me for something, I have to give it to the lady because she do respect me a lot.
Okay.
You get it? That's the whole thing.
But I got a question for you though.
Okay.
Why does my stepmom's face look like it's always like tears or your face look like she ain't well or something?
No,
Are you repeating her in the room?
no, ask her. I can never do that, bro. I love her.
You stressing her out a little bit?
No.
Why does your face look kind of like moody or some shit?
My stress with my OBD.
Because of my
eyes.
That's why I'm always crying.
Yeah, and she said she always misses your dad. That's it. When you came, she said you look like your dad. So when she heard your voice, like you sound like your dad. That's it.
Alright.
You're tired. What do you want to eat?
No, I don't food. No, I'm good.
Bro,
Why would you want to give me food to eat, bro?
No, bro, no.
Wasn't me too, bro?
Why are you saying that,
Give
bro?
me food. Every day I want to come get my food again.
No, you're hungry,
I know
man.
the kitchen where to get my own fucking food. Don't let me listen. Alright, let's stick to the point because I'm really getting irritated right now.
Okay.
You should I heard the doctor said something good.
Yeah.
Do you know a spot where you can take her for treatment? Because I want to see her happy.
Okay. Maybe you can go to Takrade, special spot there, yeah?
I don't want to go, but you can take her over there.
Why not?
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Why Friday? Why not tomorrow?
Tomorrow, no, I got appointment, yeah?
But for what?
For her work. Your dad work. I've been the one taking care of everything. So why do you have to ask me about everything? What did I do?
Why are you yelling?
No, I'm not yelling, yeah?
Why you yelling?
You always piss me off. You don't trust me. You still don't trust me, bro.
You want to start it again?
No, I don't want to start it.
Don't buy something can chill.
Okay, cool.
Don't buy something can chill.
Okay.
If you love her right here, why are you yelling though? I'm keeping peace and I want you to keep peace. Don't fucking play my nose. I'm not sticking your nose. I'm gonna poke your nose with my finger, my pinky toe. You feel me?
I'm cool. I'm fully, bro.
So we're gonna go Friday.
Friday, yeah?
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, what the option we got?
It will work.
How much believe that shit will work? It's a voodoo.
Listen, I'm African. I live in Africa and I know it will work.
Okay, so how do you find that place?
No!
Is that you been going all the time?
No. Listen.
what?
No. Way back in high school, we used to do that, bro. And it's really high school. I used to do that.
What's the voodoo?
Yeah, man.
For what?
For women. For what? Shit.
Oh, wait.
No.
Wait a minute.
No.
Wait.
No.
That's what I'm thinking.
No, bro. Don't think like that. No. You know, I was younger, so I didn't know what I was doing. I was naive, yeah?
You sure you love you love her?
I love her.
Does he love you?
Tell me though. Yeah.
No. Why you speak for her?
No.
I'm fucking this psychologist. I can hear what she talk. So don't speak for her.
Fine, cool.
Be quiet for a minute.
Okay. I'm cool, man.
Do you love her?
Yeah, I love you.
Yeah, you love him.
Yeah. She loves me. She said it.
Can you be quiet for a minute?
Okay.
This man, dog, okay about this guy. Jeez.
Made the Obana hospital. Ready, me danya me say waba beto. Na doctors for me say yare na physical yare, spiritual thing. And right now, only the disturbance be only this obewo nipa odo nchen, which is me. Anything me mama me nkwa mama me mabusu ni bia am bata. Ti wada ro me dey wo hu ne dey sa wo say why cool with it.
Ati de wo kan na enso. Apofrey oyemeba. De ekoso no mempekura na eni mani nso anya den mani nye ho. Enti se ba me ba na me ba ne se me be fama ade de nakọ. Na me nso ba bia wo se me de ne kọ no. De nakọ ama ne ho ato.
Ka cho wo de ne kọ.
Metimi de nakọ asore. Metimi de na mo ma de. Enti ba bia pepesam de mba kọ de me na mpesa me nim ba bia de mba kọ.
Ka cho baby only right so be fana ko bia. So no to ne nim to ka so be kọ de fine. So ka so nkwa me ni wo nti oba aseme wo
Say nya wo nso na be ka sha me ba na.
Mama na e wo mama na wo tene ka say wo mama no. O sense na wo mama no.
Mama na ye wo mama.
Ene asem pa o.
Mama na ye wo mama no.
Nti na wo kenkan be.
Anya fofo a ka de ni.
Na kakra mpushe me ni ase boy.
Anya fofo ne dia alfo na opa. Hwe we de wo kasa mama no mama no no. Esa bia. En kasa ma aso no na menyi obi atinsa. En kasa ma aso no bia. Menyi obi atinsa. O si woni ni jimi bia o si woni o tere. No ho to na abrantie de nya de ka de nsa o mi fie. O ho to wa ba ga de wonsa. E no si wo tere.
Aware
Akuya, o ma me kasa tro pete ba. Akuya ho de be na obe. Aho de be nko akuya ho de. Den he na wo de ko.
Yes, me wona me de won say about the to say una be makao.
Wo kunu wu ye di na say. Akuya wo kunu firi mu. Anya sa me ka wo ya wo. Me ka wo ya wo da. Edi na say.
Ya di ma transit 2 years na na be ma say ma ya.
Ya be ma pepe bi osi bo asante be ma. Boy.
Ono to fofo la phone.
Me ba mi abka so.
Ono to fofo la phone.
Mr. Madika ka to say doctor na say on pede this o baby any situation e don pede de bia o.
Say me ba me so da na me ba me say.
Ya mo ko.
Mo hwe de onu so si wo kire. Akua me ba no ma me na me to da na ase. E na nkura do ma me wo so de cry. Me bo a.
Odi abote.
Me ne ya se me ba be fa wo de wako. Ba bi e wo se me du ko bi akua. Me du ko ama ho ato wate. Anu ti na ba. Enye we. Enye ne me ya ade mu afa yi.
O se me da se ka so be fa mako. Do ka ne oya wa ye obata ndo be ya na wo yi. So ma mo de mesrew. Me kunu de ofa me friend nje kwa enye yi. Mesrew. Doctor said me here kokro. Eno bi obebe me time bi ama me so o de me kwa beja mo kra kwa fu.
Akuya.
Nti de mesrew. Ubeti me out there blood that na says all the bako. Me nya me kunu honko.
Cap me then.
Akuya.
Okay anyo be.
Dia wo ka che me wo yi fofo la phone na ni mu no.
Ma wonya fofo.
Abeis.
Ma se nya be ayo oba ho na kwa wale kwa be ma so
kwa.
Sa wa mu. Wo ma me makonya me tim krampo. Me trema emu abotokro sei. Wei akuya we yedem ma ne ya no. Anu akofo obi ba ne ma me wei wo wu bi da. Onu so wo wu bi da ntakuya. O medi ngo.
Na se wonya wo bi da ono akwa abrochire kra bo bi nti na oda so.
Wakọ ni na aba.
Man has been to London before, ene.
Ade ene.
Ene man.
Ade ene. Hey.
My London boy.
Usu up na be jam my London boy ene. Ode ene ewie wo kuya.
My ene no.
What do man?
I love it.
Usiko. Na so me don.
Usu don ye wa mo bo. Ye na wo me wo uti. Sem enya wo. Akola me wo no a me brave ya se weni o. Me wo no onye me ya 1 year. Afi ne busumi mi. E do si wo kire. Hey, etu afa mi nyansa ni bi ho.
Pacho, ni.
Ese
me ko dem. Pacho embesu eyi ko tu ma pacho.
Aba oni na me ko.
What's it? Yeah. When did you mean? When you walk out, right here, yeah. We need to meet me. I can't meet you. Hey. Hey.
Mami are.
Hey, Omusu.
Ni asema.
Yeah. Omusu, me mu yemboni o na me.
Ni asema no so nkasa na wusu. Ade de na esi.
Wasa mi yem. Ma wasa mi yem Omusu, ma wasa mi yem. Yeah.
Na obekasa.
Yeah.
Obekasa.
Dia ya me. Se wo bu me ba wu iso. Akuya mu yo so.
De na esi, ka kire me.
Yeah.
Dia asem, okwa de na esi.
Wo de na esi. Ko ya branti ni wo ni na wo we. Busa me kwa so ase ja. Asem dada ya na de ba. Branti ehu mi a wo se ko.
Asere, fifi ho.
Ko mi fifi ho ko na wo hia me. Me ma wo me bara me ba yare na me ba ho abehwe no. Wo se ko. Wo se an. De ko ya doctor say oba ni hia na sumdie. Na mo ba ha. Nto kwa gidi se ma ni hia na sumdie.
Ada doctor na fifi ho bi.
Mi de minim. Minim. O wusu minim. Enti abrante ne kan sa no. Wunua ne ti wo. Wunua ne ti wo. Akuya ti wo.
Na akuya o kan dai.
Na me busa na akuya say akuya. Asema ba ma yi kan. Ene say. Na just say wo fo no so na wo fo no so na just say me unu de menga. Ene say. Akuya ko bi na no a. Onkra me bono. What was say budi jom jolly say jolly na akuya to we me. Ade ni nzu hunu we. Akuya ko bi na no a. Na just say de ni kunu no kan na abrante no. Onye de kunu po. Me ma na wade o. Me ma na wade. Me fa wade bi ama no. Na mpina no.
Ojitum say de abrante ne kan ojitum.
E kan yampa. Ni pan say hwe o. Madam. Awani huna die, wani. Se me pantan. Me kwa wo hu me ne de me kwa wo hu ni o. Wani fambo ni chemi bo, di ma ye ti madam bi wani.
Ana na oye misa. Sisi woni me di Tom and Jerry fia no. Asa me fra no afa chire, me ye wo sen my sha na oye misa pantan. When is the last time I don't want come? When was the last time I don't want come? The last time I didn't know the year, man. I mean, in the Queen, me Yanjo. Can you by force crown and control one in a home and the show up? Come on, man.
Last year, Menya de betimia yes aboni we bi muda. Madam ani gusu be di boni nese na ni susu afra me san koso ni boni wo. Ene je se me de me wu a sasa ma do de me mo papa.
Me mo bo sese.
Si di besi bi ahwe me bra. Na ntoazo bi mo. Me yifruit di. Yifruit ngwa se me no ko sa ala line. Madam mo ye me mobo yi.
Madam na o kame. Madam na o kame. Eye. Ne brand na e sa. Ne ni bre no. Hwe. Unim say me na kwa hospital me na kwa so for the same issue.
Akwasi. Wo be ka wies ma sim bia. Me enya de bi meti.
E do bo so frem akosi. Te se won hu me hu
ti. So ta ponche ni hoje o. Wo ta me dodo. Be se twon ho. Ti na ba bi na me ntimi ba bi. Ei. Asem ba kule na me nkwa sante mo.
Tie me. Pantan. Mo say me nti na oda so hanom. Embre bi e ka say e pamo mu baako. Me ka say de bi e pamo eni adwuma. Nti me no ya de na me ka asem a kire say madam situation at hand. Se me nti me nkwa abon. O pese me nkwa abonten ana. De bi. Me kwa abonten e be ya say obi begimi aboso dan say me fie akoko mechiware. Nti no na beboa. Na nti won fe me o de ka no kore. O de o hie ska o de patre me. Ni na wo hie.
Me mpeli bi abi.
Tie me. Pantan tongo.
Madam me me mo.
E man ho nyen bobo. O de am call story mo na me ko ye onye mo be ko kasi mi a kiro. Me de ma wasem onye den.
Ti se wo bo bu mi ana. Na che se na no asma pe kan ye se wo ko ye no. Wo pa mo wo no. Wo fa be ma ni ja ni moja no. Se aya no kro di bi edi me. Hey. Wo usu. Kefi o mi zi wo bi mu da. Me. Mi zi wo bi mu da. Mi zi wo bi
on say dem me kwa me catch you say de ekoso enye kwa na me gidi sabrante ne de me sister eden afa baagi cause na na kuya wo yes anu ma we like odwene ho a won te ase enye nania abrante ne nansi bibi so na odi manipulate na na kuya ana me sero this is the time I was so we dey call ba na ho this is the time I was so o fight it. Say bibi bia branch person de ye na na kua bia ye bi na free kusi say waje atumo wo si go biem da wo bekọ ade mu say wo de wo buso a wo ka so wu a wo pe that wo boa ya fro say na kua bi si anka wa mu ka wa hwe obesna twaare
o wusu me be twaare
oh mame
o wusu me be twaare o wusu woni mo mame woni me woni me o wusu
me sero no matter hot na na kua ye wo ba ayoba
hey
na cho the so ba den ija ne na gu so na so se de bend the chance no se de oye de oba misraw
owusu
mame je oye de asa o pu na na kua manaka me ko o pu no
me wo mame me ntinta so nto fam sa mfa ni da me ntinta so nto fam fa ni da na kua ma me ra ho papa me nka da ni so fi mani ase ba Minka da ni so efi mani ase baaye na nso na akui ade a waye ne ne wo pon di akora ye mi nyinara wo ka nyina me se menko nso me ba no wo se me ti ase me se meko na se metutu mi na atimi aba ho na se wo na akui a wotimi ayi haban nso na gufom de haban ahye mu dia na wo se me ba wo meni ma se wo abrante ya nim
enye na akui ani abrante na ni bibi ade na ma ye fa na nsi fo
wo su tu obi ya wo nya ni bi
oya be no unse ye wa ni yesisi a yesisi wa so no wa no nyina